Daming kabayan, no? Oras kasi ng trabaho. It's time to work, that's why. That's why too much kabayan. This place is Satwa. All kabayan is here.
You know what?
Yeah,
People
boyfriend,
staying very each one have a boyfriend.
Yeah, boyfriend Pakistani.
Pakistani, yeah,
Indiana.
too much Indian Pakistani.
Indian,
You know, nah,
Pakistani,
Indian also too much.
Bengali.
Yeah, Bengali also. Oh, Bengali don't need. Oh, clean, oh, clean.
Filipina don't want Bengali.
You can clean him.
But no.
Why Bengali is no clean? Even the girls
Like
Bengali, if there is housemaid for a Bengali lady,
Yeah,
they cannot knows how to clean. I think
I'm
there's
not joking. You know that.
What they do in their house? In their
maybe it's community. You know,
Yeah.
it's becoming like that. Cannot clean too much. You don't know how to clean.
Human need clean.
Maybe that's their side.
Wait, this way we will check.
Then go there
There is
kasi
also
nandun yung
other
ano
side also.
Greenland, malapit lang daw doon.
Classic City.
Okay, Almaya. Though there in the place,
Yeah.
the Greenland, you can go there. That size. This place is like a Manila.
Yeah. Then we will round
Palikuin
there.
mo siya dito. Palikuin mo siya doon sa ano. Likuan ng ano.
We will U-turn there, okay?
Hmm?
Then we want to check the other side also. We will search.
Maybe this side you can go there.
Yeah. We will U-turn there.
Because one time I will ask the people here.
Okay.
She tell there in the Greenland you can go there straight.
Like that?
Yeah.
Pinoy Mart. Now I will put the name, okay? I will put that name. What's the golden age?
Golden Day.
Golden day, right?
That's the new grocery.
Wait, I will.
Golden Day sa permanent.
Sabi ko na dito ba?
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto 17B Street.
Takarin na lang natin din, no?
Oh, malapit na.
Punta po tayo sa tayo punta kasi.
Yan, pauwi na lang natin to. Kawawa naman. Hintay pa.
Turn right onto El Satwa Road, D90, then turn left.
Dito na tayo kanina eh.
Turn left toward El Satwa Road, D90, then turn left onto El Satwa Road. Take the next left onto El Satwa Road, D90.
Hindi ba yung pinuntahan natin dito nakaraan?
In 300
Saan?
meters, turn right onto 9th Street.
Di ba pumunta tayo sa ano? Dito din nung
Ito di man, kalamangan yun.
Hindi di ba pumunta tayo dito nung nakabili nga tayo ng ano?
No.
So Karama, you feel what you feel, Karama?
Take the next right onto 9th
You want to
Street.
after this
Then your
Karama?
destination
No.
will be on the right.
Your next
Next trip, huh?
Next day up, inshallah. Malayo nga pala.
Better we took this navigation la, otherwise we confuse.
Hmm.
We are somewhere here. There. Wallah, you never know. This is the other market.
Your destination is on the right.
this is
This is
This is?
Huh? Yeah. This is the golden. Wait,
so
wait, I will go.
Ito nga, golden day.
Golden.
Ito.
You check always service. Your service.
Mashallah. You have own service.
Always service more than Madam.
Head northeast on 10B Street toward 9th Street.
Only 1 minute.
because we
Turn left onto 9th Street.
worried because if you will go home. I thought you will go home. That's why we hurry.
Golden day. Where's the green lands? Huh?
It's near here.
No.
May service kami. May service kami.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Al Satwa Road, D90.
Madam na madam.
Oh, Madam. Call you? Huh?
No.
Turn right onto Al Satwa Road, D90.
If you call Madam, you tell me. I will switch off this navigation sound. She's thinking we're rounding. Understand?
Yeah, I know I didn't follow it.
In 300 meters, continue straight onto Al Satwa Road.
Gutom na mga madam. Kaon sa abog itlog.
Ito na ganit ko.
Continue straight onto Al Satwa Road, then turn left onto Al Satwa Road.
Kaya pala Satwa ang pangalan dito kasi yung road Satwa. Lahat tingnan mo Al Satwa Street. Al Satwa.
Alsat lang. Kaya alsat. Uganda Airlines.
The Philippines?
Uganda. Uganda.
Uganda. Yeah,
Uganda.
yeah. See, there's Uganda also.
Philippines. Philippines. Hi, Philippines.
When Philippine Airlines there?
Next time I will go with Philippine Airlines.
Hey. How your ticket getting any direct or any
Direct.
connection?
No.